double and double. All eyes on us. Yay! Oh, sweet bro. Hello guys and welcome to Auto Syndicate. Today I am in Bengaluru A1 Customs. It's a car modification shop. It does some insane car body works and his name is Mukhtar Ahmad. This is his Instagram profile. Check it out. Quite famous in Bengaluru, known for his crazy craftsmanship, amazing body works. And today I'm near his shop here for, of course, a car that he has built, which is insane. But first, let me show you inside his garage. Check it out. This is A1 Customs. All custom-made body kits, fiber. You name the car and you have the body kit for it. You have a car which does not have a ready-made body kit, don't worry, he will make one for you. The car is ready and I'm all excited to show you this car because it's one of a kind, honestly. And I'm here today to show you all what modifications this car has got and check it out. Guys, finally, today I am with one of the most stunningly modified Honda cities in India. Meet the Double Trouble, a car that has been turning heads everywhere it goes. Stick around and see what makes this beast one of a kind. Starting off with the exteriors, something that is very eye-catching here is the paint. It's a custom Supra Orange paint, which is really elegant. Just look at it. Starting off with the bonnet, this is wrapped in a carbon fiber sticker, giving it a nice race feels. Again, you can notice something here. You can notice a cut here for the exhaust to come out. Moving to the headlamp, you can see this headlamp has been purely converted for air intake. Again, the lid here is carbon fiber dipped. Moving to the mesh, a custom mesh with a carbon fiber dip lid. The bumper, original Honda bumper, just the fog lamps lid has been added. Again, carbon fiber dipped. Let's move to the side. Whoa! Did you notice a dual exit? Again, we'll show you later on in the video. Moving to the mirror, you can see these mirror caps. Really nice, made in fiber, dipped in carbon. Check out these. This is acrylic window visors. Nice, creative, something that they've come across newly. Moving to the rear, you can see the roof spoiler here. Again, fiber, carbon dipped. Let's move to down. Again, you can notice a customized rear bumper, giving it a proper JDM spec looks. As we move front and side, look at this stance. It has a camering and is lowered, giving it a nice, crazy look. Proper Japanese feels, huh? As we go front, let's not forget the wheels. You can see here, this is a 15-inch wheels wrapped in 195, 55, R15 Yokohama S-Drive tires. Now, as we've completed the exteriors of the car, it's time to get into what's inside this. Opening the engine bay, and here it is, the monster, the monstrous part of this car. Just check it out. You can see a BMC air filter here. Edelbrock Performx intake. Moving on to this amazing part, the headers. Looks mad, isn't it? Okay, what you can see now is the most important part. These headers coming here has two exits. One which exits from the hood and the other one is here, making it the only one in India to have a dual exit exhaust. Check it out. Not just that, it also has a banger kit, which I'll show you later on in the video. Is a hydraulic wood strut. This is the breather filter and this is a silicone hose. So here's everything about the engine bay. So what do you all think about this? Leave a comment. This is about the car exteriors under the hood. Now let's move on to the interiors. Nothing much done in the interiors. The exteriors is what makes this car look brilliant, amazing. Moving on to the interiors, quite simple. Just check this out. But what's interesting is this, the banger kit by Samurai Performance. And here is the flame kit. Now it's time to switch on this beast. On a cold start, listen to it. Oh my God! Loud, loud. Okay. Let the car heat up. Wait for it. Wait for it. You are going to have a lot of fun watching this beast. Insane. Previously in the video I mentioned this was a double trouble. Double and trouble. It's time to hit the roads. Let's take this beast out for a spin. See the problems of low rides. Oh my God, this is mad. This is mad. Oh, bro, was insane. But we need to go slow because the car is cambered, lowered, slow. Oh, Bangalore roads, definitely not meant for cars like these. But nothing ain't stopping us. We're going to build more cars like these, huh?
No.
Guys, time for the double trouble. Oh, sweet, bro. Sounds insane. Woo. Yeah, I feel so proud driving this car.
Wow. Seriously, it's a very good.
You heard the double trouble, bro. Bro, reactions, bro.
Yeah.
The whole road is looking at us.
Wait. Go.
gotta say, this one is freaking loud. Finally, here we come to an end. I gotta say, this car truly stands up to its name, the Double Trouble. It's a combination of personality, style and performance. Amazingly built Honda City. In love with this car. This car was built by A1 Customs and Samurai Performance in collaboration. One amazing build, really gotta say. This is very unique and one of its kind in India. And if you guys want to build a car like this, contact A1 Customs in Bengaluru. And most importantly, if you've liked this video, hit that like button. What do you think about this ride? Leave a comment. And if you have not yet subscribed to Auto Syndicate, hit that subscribe button. See you all in the next video. Bye-bye.